Hi guys, how are you doing? Root 1 Shrike back with another video, and in this video we are going to see a distro called Strike, the one I built recently, just a few days back, and I'm trying to put together programs to make it a hacking distro. And so far I've got some tools, I think 400 of them. So let's go and see. Strike version 1. Alright, this is Strike Linux. It's going to be a security or hacking distro, pentesting distro, but I'm still figuring out some of things which are not yet done. Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out some things and building other packages. All packages I have here, I created the repo for them. So far I don't have a package from the package I have here are from Arch repository, official repository, and on user repository. Those are the packages I have right now. Display. So this is Strike Linux. I have some of tools, but I've not yet done. I've not yet customized the menu for tools. But you can see Web Suite is there, Bytecode is there, Acrobat is there. There are ETA app. Let's first spawn the installer. It only has hacking tools only. Swap to file, root 1, Alright, it is installing. So let me show you the tools we have got here. We don't have I've not yet created launchers and categories and even whisker menu for the tools, but I got some of tools I can show you, and so far I have 400 tools. I told you we have Bepsi, we have bytecode, crowbar is there, crowbar is there, A-type is there, there is I think they are down, but yeah, there is these ones, these dependence packages, there is I don't know, maybe being that some of these tools are command line tools. Let's see. Let's use the command line. So ms venom, so this tool is there. It comes with a Metasploit. I have a pack of aircrack engine. We have crowbar. Here. Is it? Oh, I think so. Yeah, I have that one. Hydra not yet, but I think Medusa is there. Yeah, Medusa is there. I have Airgeddon is there, and there is another tool called Wi-Fi. It's there. I think even SQL map is there. Yeah, it's there. I have around 400 tools there, but I've realized most of them are command line tools which I compiled, but I'm still looking for other tools to compile. The bad thing is that this ISO is big. It reaches 5 GBs, and all that volume, it contains hacking tools. These ones you see here, these are a plank. I think they are the tools they are the programs which are not for hacking, but other tools, that all that volume. I think this distro without hacking tools, it's like 2 point something, but with hacking tools then it is 5 and something, 5 GB and something. Yeah, so I have just 400. My goal is to reach 600 or 500. Yeah, 500 tools. So that is it. I'll leave it to install, and then I'll come back later. Yeah, so it has installed. It has taken almost 10 minutes, I think between 10 and 15 minutes to install. So I will boot it to see. And I'll get time to work on the menu. Then I categorize the tools and everything, but I think I'll do that in my free time, not right now. Okay. All right, so it's done. Strike Linux, strike there. I'll upload it, and then I don't have I want to upload it when I get the wallpapers. Right now I don't have wallpapers here. These are all not wallpapers. All right, okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.